Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to solve day 7 problem of this month on LeetCode. Before starting, if you guys haven't subscribed my YouTube channel yet, then please go ahead and subscribe it. Now without any delay, let's get started with today's problem. Problem number 1304. Find n unique integers sum up to 0. So we have given an integer n. We have to return any array containing n unique integers such that they add up to 0, right? So here example number 1, if you see n is equal to 5, so we can return this array, right? So here if you do the summation, 4 plus 3 is 7, 7 plus 1 8, 8 minus 1 is 7, 7 minus 7 is 0. That's it. Here 1 plus 2 3, 3 plus 3 is 6, 6 minus 1 is 5, and 5 minus 5 0. That's it. So all these arrays, if you do the sum, it's 0, right? And all these elements are unique, if you see, right? All elements are unique. Okay, so here example number 2, n is equal to 3, so minus 1 0 1, sum is 0 and all the elements are unique. 1, so we can simply use 0. That's it, right? Clear? Now here these are the constants, right? N is from 1 to 1000. So this problem is very simple, right? And there are many ways to solve this problem. How I'm going to solve it, let me show you my way. So here n is equal to 5, right? So what I'm going to do, I'm going to write 1 2 3 4 like this. And what is the sum of all these numbers? 4 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, right? So here at this position I will just simply write minus 10. That's it. So this is my way to solve this problem. So from 1 2 3 4, all these indexes, I will just write the same number, and at 0 I will just write the summation of all these number, and that is also very simple. So how you calculate the sum of first n natural numbers? So sum of first n natural numbers is nothing but n into n plus 1 divided by 2, right? So here if let's say if your n is 4, if your n is 4, then how you are going to calculate sum of first 4 natural numbers? So here you put 4 4 4 plus 1 here divided by 2, this is going to cancel out, so you are going to get 2 into 5 is equal to 10. That's it. So here I'm just going to write minus 10, right? So here we have n is equal to 5 now, but here we are using 1 to 4, so I'm just going to change this formula little bit. So instead of n is 5 now, I will just place n minus 1. So n minus 1 is nothing but 4, n minus 1, and here n minus 1 plus 1, that is nothing but n. So this is the formula I'm going to use, and here I will use minus sign, and this value I'm going to just place at my 0 index, and all other values I will fill as index. That's it. So let's write the code. Very simple. Okay, so here what you need to do first, so create one result array. So let's say this is my result array, and here I'm just going to write new int and same size, right? New int n, and here result of 0 value, how you're going to fill it I have already explained. So the same formula, right? Minus, and here I'm just going to write n. Okay, and here I'm just going to multiply this n with n minus 1, right? And after that, here this complete, I'm just going to divide it with 2. That's it. This is how we are calculating, right? N minus 1 into n by 2, right? So this is what I'm writing here, and then after that I'm just going to run one loop. Int I is equal to 1, I is less than n, I plus plus, and I'm just going to update my result of I with I value, and from here I'm simply going to return a result. That's it. So the time complexity for this problem is going to be O of n. Since we are iterating over all the n elements, now let's submit it. So see, our solution is simply right. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's problem, and if you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Thank you. Bye bye.